Are we recording?
Yes.
Recording. I'm just playing. Keep going. So we sold the 58 rag wheels to a client in Texas. He says, can you sign the back of the wheels for me? A little piece of nostalgia. I said, absolutely. So we're doing it. You're gonna get to watch. Hey guys, I want to tell you about the promotion we're continuing in 2021, and that's giving away one of these ultimate beams to one of our subscribers who likes and comments on our videos. Once we hit 10K, we're at this number right here right now. Once we're at 10K, then we're going to randomly select a subscriber and make sure they've commented on one of the videos, and we're going to give it away. For your Type 1 Beetle, Goodyear, Type 3 thing, that's what we're gonna do. One of those bad boys right there. And you could be it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Now back to the film.